Now we are heading towards the Maid of the Mist. From the moment the horn sounds, the adventure begins. We set sail from the US side of the Niagara Falls, leaving the calm waters of the Niagara River and heading straight toward one of the nature's greatest wonders, the mighty Horseshoe Falls.
Maid of the Mist boats have been sailing the border between the two friendly nations of the United States and Canada since 1846. The first Maid of the Mist vessel was a twin-stack coal-fired steamboat. In 1885, our boats evolved to single-stack steamboats that ventured thousands of yearly visitors. And we know we have a responsibility to help protect them. That's why we created two of North America's first newly built all-electric vessels. These zero-emission boats offer an experience that is undisturbed by engine noise, vibration, or exhaust fumes, and are unlike any others that journey to... If you look to your left, you'll see the American Falls. It is 180 feet high, or about 55 meters. 12,000 years ago, the falls were 7 miles, or about 11 kilometers downriver at Lewis. You see them now at the present location because of erosion. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet or 2 meters a year. Most of the rock at the base of the falls fell nearly 2%, achieving tenfold growth. In 2020, in his 70th year with the Maid of the Mist, the company announced the naming of the vessel James D. Glenn in his honor. Journey to the heart of Niagara Falls.
The roar grows louder, the mist grows thicker, and suddenly you are surrounded by the walls of cascading water. Feeling the raw power that has carved this landscape for thousands of years.
The water that flows over the falls comes from 4 of the 5 great lakes. From here, the water goes down the Niagara River, into Niagara Falls, into the St. Louis River, and finally to the Cascades.
This is the Maid of the Mist, more than just a boat ride. It's an unforgettable front row seat to the force of nature.